Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Google Cloud Functions to pub/sub triggers, detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect Google Cloud Functions to pub/sub triggers, start by navigating to the Google Cloud Console. Ensure you are logged into your Google Cloud account. In the left sidebar, locate and click on Cloud Functions. Click on the Create Function button to begin the setup process. Select the function name that is meaningful and recognizable for your use case. Choose the region where you want your function to be deployed. In the Trigger section, select pub/sub from the drop-down menu. You will now need to specify the pub/sub topic. If you haven't created a topic yet, navigate to pub/sub in the left sidebar. Click on Topics and then the Create Topic button. Enter a name for your new topic and save it. Return to the Create Function page to select the newly created topic. Next, choose the runtime environment that your function will use, such as Node.js or Python. In the function code section, write the code that you want to execute when a message is received. Keep your code streamlined and ensure it handles the incoming pub/sub message appropriately. In the Function to Execute field, specify the function name that contains your execution logic. You can also set any environment variables required for your application under Environment Variables section. Next, configure the memory allocated and timeout settings based on your needs. Review the available permissions under Permissions to ensure your function can interact with other resources as needed. Once satisfied with your settings, click on the Deploy button to create the function. Wait for the deployment process to complete, which may take a few moments. Once deployed, navigate back to the pub/sub section in the console. Click on Topics and select the topic you linked to the function. You can now publish messages to this topic either through the console or using the pub/sub client libraries. After publishing a message, monitor your Cloud Function by going to the Logs tab in the Cloud Functions page. Check the logs to see if your function executed successfully and handled the message as expected. If there are any issues, review the logs to troubleshoot and make necessary adjustments to your function code. You have now successfully connected Google Cloud Functions to pub/sub triggers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.